The nature of existence. I exist. That means that I have life or existence. The existence of being does not require any proof. We can spontaneously feel it. Our primary need is to nurture this existence. Much has to be done for it. In this regard, Sri Thakur Anukulchandra has said in an aphoristic manner, being is an instinct with existence, consciousness and blissful becoming. Spontaneously resisting evil, which is unfavorable to existence. What is nurturing to existence, consciousness and blissful becoming is dharma. Dharma is embodied in a living ideal. Initiation by the living ideal begets adherence. Adherence brings adjustment of complexes. Adjustment of complexes invites uphold of existence. Uphold of existence brings compassionate sympathy. Compassionate sympathy gives birth to integration. Integration welcomes power. Power invokes harmonious total growth. And uphold of existence gives rise to deep concentration. From deep concentration comes samadhi, that is, perfect absorption in the Supreme Spirit. And from samadhi comes the eternal emancipation of the soul, the total extinction of passionate desire, the great awakening of supreme consciousness.